The DJI Avata 360 has just shaken the drone world, and this time, it's not another fake render or AI mockup. A leaked retail box has surfaced, and it looks unmistakably real. Clean white packaging, minimalist typography, and DJI's premium branding language all point to one thing: this drone is coming. And the timing couldn't be more important. DJI recently rode massive success with the Avata 2, while Insta360 disrupted the industry with its anti-gravity A1, a true flying 360 camera. That move forced DJI to respond, and the Avata 360 appears to be their answer. According to leaks and insider reports, the Avata 360 is a hybrid FPV and 360 degrees camera drone, something DJI has never done before. The drone is expected to feature dual 1/1.3-inch sensors, capable of recording native 8K 360 video at 30 frames per second, while also switching instantly into traditional FPV mode. This means creators can fly aggressively like a real FPV drone, then capture fully immersive 360 footage with an invisible drone effect, all without changing hardware. The Fly More combo leak reveals 3 intelligent flight batteries, a huge upgrade over previous Avata kits. Each battery offers higher capacity, delivering longer flight times and fewer interruptions during shoots. DJI Goggles 3 are expected to support O4 transmission up to 13 km, with lower latency and improved optics, paired with the RC Motion 3 controller for intuitive gesture-based control. Design leaks show a slimmer body, lowered profile, and a clever rotating camera mechanism that hides the lower lens during FPV flight. In FPV mode, the camera could shoot 5K at 60 fps, while the 360 system may capture up to 120 megapixel panoramic photos. Pricing leaks point to around 6,899 yuan, roughly $975, positioning the Avata 360 as a surprisingly accessible high-end hybrid drone. As for the launch window, all signs suggest a 2025 release, likely timed to counter Insta360's 360 drone rollout.